Hola, buenas noches, ¿cómo están? Mi gente, voy a grabar un video, pero lo voy a hacer muy rápido porque imagínate, I gotta do this very, very fast. So, with that said, we're gonna jump into it. Recently, I did a video talking about how para can come out as ba. So instead of pronouncing the RA at the end, it's cut off. And that's in not only Dominican Spanish, but you can hear this in other countries as well, especially nearby countries. And so I was playing some of the songs out of my playlist, and what song came up for me? One by the one and only Jennifer Lopez and Maluma with a song called Bati. And I think it's a great example of what I'm talking about with the RA cut off on para. So I'm going to try and play that. And yes, JLo is very American, but her background is Puerto Rican. And Maluma is from Colombia. So you can see these two are not even from the Dominican Republic, but they also do pa. And you're going to hear that other places. Okay, let's play the song.
Tantos autos y diamantes, avión con mi nombre adelante. Todo lo que tengo solo tiene precio, sí. Lo comparto junto a ti, yeah, yeah. Todo lo que tengo es para ti, pa' ti. Pase lo que pase, estoy pa' ti, pa' ti. Todo lo que tengo es para ti, pa' ti. Solo pa' ti, pa' ti, pa' ti.
Todo lo que tengo es para ti, pa' ti. Pase lo que pase, estoy pa' ti, pa' ti. Todo lo que tengo es para ti, pa' ti. Solo pa' ti, pa' ti, pa' ti.
La cuenta del banco.
Okay, amores. That is it. Again, apologies. I can't make this a super fancy video, but hopefully you saw another example of what para sounds like pa. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share. I really need the support on this channel, especially if you want more. And make sure you check out my 2025 Spanish bilingual planner on Amazon. Link is in the description. I'll see you next time.